I'm using Red Heart Super Saver stripes. It is a variegated yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Now we are going to make a slip stitch, then chain 7. Any odd number will work. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in the second stitch chain from hook, I'm going to make a single crochet. This is the first stitch from the hook. This is the second stitch. I'm going to make a single crochet all across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I make chain 1 and turn the work. Now I'm going to make a double crochet in the first stitch, then in the second stitch and third stitch I am going to make 2 double crochet together. So let us do one more time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook in the second stitch, then yarn over hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the 2 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, insert the hook in the third stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, so yarn over hook and go through all the 3 loops all at once. Then yarn over hook and insert the hook in the last stitch and make half of the double crochet together. Then go to the next one and make the next half. Yarn over hook and go through all the 3 loops on the hook. Repeat that one. Now we have this one and the last stitch. Sorry, let me hold that one back. So here half of that, and next the turning chain we are going to make half of the next half of the double crochet together. Yarn over hook, go through the 3 loops together, then make 1 regular double crochet in that last stitch. Now we chain 1, turn, repeat this row 2. So we are going to make one more double crochet in there, then we are going to the next one and make half of the 2 double crochet together. Then on the next stitch also we are going to make half of the 2 double crochet together. Yarn over hook and go through all the 3 loops. Then don't go to the next stitch. In the same stitch where we finished, you are going to start just like this one. Yeah, it looks good, right? The stripes are coming up. Here to count how many double crochets, how many stitches you have. So we have 1, 2, and this is 3, 4, 5, and the last one is a regular double crochet. Again chain 1, turn the work, 1 double crochet in the first stitch itself, then we are going to the next one, going to do our DC2 together using the next 2 stitches. We are going to use that one we used last time to begin the next DC2 together. Now stitch both ends together with the yarn needle. So this is only very short width. Stitching together is fast. I think this a DC2 together pattern is very easy and very quick to finish. You can finish within half an hour for sure once you get the hack of doing the DC2 together anyway. If you make it a little more wider, you can have it as an ear warmer for the winter. Since there is no holes in it, it is going to be very nice and warm. A few stitches. I didn't do anything particular to make these colors. It is just the yarn made the pattern. I will give the link to buy the same yarn from Amazon in the link in description. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first one. Make one more single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, then make one more single crochet in the same space. Then in the next one also make 2 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, repeat that one, 2 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch. The next one, 2 single crochet, again chain 1, single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to make one more here. 1, 2 single crochets, chain 1, 1 single crochet, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, and we are done.